Hi people, this is Zach from visionswell.com, here with another video. Today, I'm doing a review of these new Sony WF-1000XM5 earbud headphones that I just picked up. If you've watched any of my other previous videos, you probably know that I'm a little bit of a zealot about over-the-ear headphones. I think they have great sound quality, they're worth the weight and space in my bag, and they provide amazing noise cancellation. Just recently, I decided, since I'm so committed to personal item only travel, that it's time to give earbuds another try and see if there's one that could fulfill all my needs and also take up way less space in my bag. So thus brings the Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. As you can see, they come in this little charging case that has a USB-C charging port on the back as well as a little pairing button. The outside is this nice matte black. It feels good in the hand. It seems like a nice protective case. And then you just open the lid, and as you can see, there are two little earpieces for your left and right ear. They have a little bit of a finish on the back of them that is non-glossy, which makes them easy to grab, whereas the sides are this glossy type that can slip out of your fingers a little bit. So if you pull them out, you can see that they have these little foam ear tips here, and they come in a variety of sizes. I picked the ones that fit my ear best. They also have a little screen inside to prevent earwax buildup in the actual earpieces themselves. So these are really great, and they have two little contact points here that interface with the contact points on there to make sure that they can charge effectively. They also fit great in my ears. So this is the right one here, and this is the left. And as you can see, they fit amazingly in my ears, and they don't have that little wing that hangs down like the AirPods Pro. My problem with the AirPods Pro is not that they're not quality, they're absolutely quality products, but they don't fit in my ear as well as these do. So I've always had a problem with them falling out, and why I would never go with those Apple earbuds is because they don't fit well in my ears personally. If it works for you, that's great, but I just have never had luck with them. These fit amazingly well in my ear, and I like how they don't look super obtrusive. Someone can still tell that you're wearing headphones, but they're not sticking out of your ears or making a big, to-do about everything. They pair really easily to any device, and they actually support up to 2 devices that you can pair to. I just have them paired to my phone right now, and they work out amazingly well. All you have to do is you put them back in the case, you open the lid, and then if you hold this little button on the back for 5 seconds, a flashing blue LED will go on the front, and you'll be able to pair them to whatever device. And then you can use the Sony Headphones app to see which devices it's paired to, do equalizer settings, all that kind of stuff. The software is really great for these. I was able to actually do a custom equalizer when I was listening to music to make it sound exactly how I wanted it to sound. And now that's saved as a custom profile, so whenever I put these on, it allows me to have a custom equalizer set up that makes my music sound best that it can. Comparing it to my other 2 headphones, these are the ones I've had for years and are one of my favorite pairs of headphones of all time. This is the Sony WH-1000XM4s. These are over-the-ear headphones that are also noise canceling, and they operate on Bluetooth. I like that you can fold them up and they can stay sort of out of the way. But the problem with these is that they're bulky. So if I bring these, I have 2 options, well, technically 3 options for how to carry them. I can either just put them around my neck after I get through security, and that works well enough, but it doesn't really protect them. I have this hard case, which is huge and very bulky. I even tried to combine this hard case to fit my electronics gear as well, but it wouldn't necessarily all fit in here. So no matter what, this thing is bulky and takes up a ton of space. Then, as I've mentioned in previous videos, what I've been using lately has been this Thule Subterra 2 Power Shuttle in the large size, and they definitely fit in here. And this has been great for me for travel because I'm able to travel with over-the-ear headphones, but also have plenty of room for my other gear. So this has been kind of a game changer tech pouch for me. I'm still gonna hang on to this for times when I want to bring the over-the-ear headphones, but it's awesome to have another option with these earbuds. The last one I have are these Samsung Galaxy Live Buds. And these have been amazing for a few years as well. They also have a little USB-C charging case. They're little bean shapes. They fit really well in my ear. And the nice thing about these versus the Sonys is that I can actually sleep in them. They're very flat against the ear. So if I want to go to sleep at night and listen to ASMR, listen to music, watch videos in bed and fall asleep to them, these are better for that. The problem with these is over time, one of the earbuds has lost a lot of its volume and now sounds super quiet by comparison. So, the durability of these hasn't been great. Luckily, I got these for free with a Verizon subscription, so I don't really care that they're dying over time. I've kind of get my use out of them, but they're a good backup pair to throw in my bag just in case one of my headphones is dead and I don't have to be without headphones when I'm on the road. So I'll still hang on to these, but they're not my go-to anymore. The go-to is definitely the Sonys. So as far as the noise cancellation, that's one of the only places where I feel like the over-the-ear are still better. When I do noise cancellation with these, I can still hear a little bit. It's about 75% as good as the over-the-ear version. I still think the over-the-ear version are the absolute best noise cancellation headphones I've ever owned, but these are a very close second. Just know that when you're on buses or trains or airplanes that you may hear a little bit of ambient noise, but it also has some software stuff that's really nice. So you can put on talk to ambient. So basically, when you start speaking, it switches to ambient noise automatically so that you can hear what's around you. You can also put on behavioral software mods where it knows when you're walking or running that it'll turn on ambient noise because it expects that you're in a city or somewhere around people where you need to hear what's around you. Whereas if you're sitting still, it switches automatically to the noise cancellation so that you're able to have all the noise cancellation that you're looking for. I think all these features make this great, make this amazing, and I really love these earbuds. The other residual benefit of these earbuds is that because they're so small, it really leaves the option open to use a lot of my other smaller tech pouches. So sometimes when I'm doing personal item only travel, I don't want to pack that huge Thule, so I can put this into a smaller tech pouch, a more minimalist tech pouch, and still have all the ear and listening functionality that I want. When it comes to speaking on the phone, it honestly, I recorded them back to back, and the over-the-ear headphones and these headphones both sound the same when it comes to voice memo recording or talking on the phone. They are nearly indistinguishable. So that's also another great feature. Obviously, I'm not going to use these to record nice audio like for YouTube videos or anything because it still sounds like you're kind of far away. It's a little tinny, but that's to be expected with any Bluetooth headset. It's not really designed to be for really good quality audio recording. It's really just designed to, talk on the phone or do a quick voice memo where it's audible but not necessarily the most clear. So all in all, I'm really happy with these. They've kind of turned someone who was an over-the-ear lover into someone who would consider wearing earbuds on some trips, especially when I need to save space. So these are my new go-to when I need a more compact set of listening devices, and I'm definitely going to use them in the future. I think they're worth the value. And to be totally transparent, I actually bought these refurbished off eBay. They were $150 versus the retail that I think is closer to over $200, maybe even $300 if I remember correctly. But yeah, if you can find these refurbished, used, something like that on eBay, even better value. So I was willing to buy another pair of headphones because I could get them at a decent discount. They work perfectly. They're in great shape. The seller was super great with the way he packaged it and everything. So yeah, I definitely think these are a good product. They're a great option for EDC and minimalist travel, and I'm going to continue to use them. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an amazing rest of your week. Take care.